Hello and welcome back to my garage. Today we're still having the Opel Corsa. The big fix I already have done, but there was also some convenience issue, and that was the rear gas struts of the boot lid trunk thing. I know English, one says boot, other says trunk, and in the Dutch it is a achterklep or a rear flap. Well, let's call it that. Klep. What is klep? Oh, rear lid. That's maybe a better translation. So, but you know what I mean. The old ones, well, if you're putting the thing all the way up, it just stays there, but it rather wants to go down, and of course, most of the time you will hit your head, and you do that one time, and 2 times, and 3 times, and well, after a couple of times you are definitely going to be annoyed by it. So we're going to change that. Nice and easy job. I've got some struts from Stark. Yeah, probably not Tony. But yeah, we're going to replace those. So yeah, let's replace these two, because then the car is done and I can go inside. Of course, first let's see what the problem is. Well, it's not doing anything anymore. The last time it was here, it at least stays up, but yeah, nothing. On both ends of the strut there are these, well, notches, and there is a clip, and that clip you can just take a small screwdriver and just take the clip out of there. Of course, do that with the bottom as well, and then you shall see that you can just pop these off. Another way to remove them is just by force. You can just wiggle it out of there with a lot of force, but this is of course much easier. And of course the new one, you don't have to remove that clip. Just put it on there, give it a whack, and it is on there. And of course you do that with the bottom one as well. I do think I have put them on the wrong way around. Am I more wrong? Yeah, most of the time. Of course we're going to do the other side as well, even though it stays upright quite well. So let's do it the right way around this time. Just like so. And there you have it, how to change your gas struts on your boot thing. Well, we already discussed that. Easy enough. Just a flathead screwdriver and you can just pop them out of there. This is definitely something you want to do yourself and not pay someone to do it. It's easy enough. So yeah. I don't know what I have to say about this more than I have shown. So that's it for today's video. Hopefully you enjoyed it, or at least learned something from it. And if you did, please give it a like. If you want to follow me around, you know what to do. And I will see you next time. Bye.